Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how we put SIM cards in our inhemeter new smart meter. And now, as you can see, we are pulling the cable. This cable will go to the pole, and then we have our meter box here. This is our meter box connected. We already put our double poles. Now this is the wire that we have pulled. So this is the meter we are talking about. It's called inhemeter smart meter, and you have to unscrew. You have to open this top. You have to open this top, and then you pull from the sides for it to come out. So this side and this side. Then you pull like that. It looks like this. Then you take your SIM card. It doesn't use the smaller SIM card. You use the bigger SIM card. So you remove from its place like this, and then as you, after removing like that, you pull down this place where the SIM card is put. This place you pull down like that, and it unlocks like that. It unlocks, and then this is where you fix your SIM card. This is where you fix your SIM card. After that, you close and you push to the top again. You slide it to the top, and that's how we put our SIM card in our meter. And then you return it here. It's as simple as that. And then you screw like that. After finishing that, you connect it. Now you put it in the meter box and you mount it nicely. Your work must be neat. So these wires, we will arrange them well. So you connect it nicely like that. It's the same for all meters. Let's screw this one, then you mount it. After finishing that, you arrange these wires correctly and make sure you do the wiring properly, otherwise something might go wrong. So we have connected our double poles like that, and these are the wires that are coming from the pole, which we will connect to these cutouts. One twin cutout and two single cutouts. The twin one will come with a neutral, and these other ones will be carrying the faces. So this is how the single cutout looks like. It looks like this. And we have this is the twin cutout. This is the one that you connect your neutral and your one of the faces here. Yes, it's as simple as that. So like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.